Tsunami hit the largest island of Tonga, Tonga-Tampu, after a strong eruption of the underwater volcano Hunker Tonga this afternoon. Tidal waves crossed the coastline at Nuku'alofa and flooded coastal roads and property. Waves reached a height of 83 centimeters, according to the U.S. Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. Panic reigns, people are worried and do not know what to do. The telephone connection is not working, and it is difficult for people to get through. People are being urged to stay away from beaches and coastal areas until 4 a.m. tomorrow. Information about property damage and casualties is not yet available. Fiji and American Samoa also issued tsunami warnings, urging residents to avoid the coastline due to strong currents and dangerous waves. New Zealand authorities, more than 2,000 kilometers from the eruption, also said strong currents and unpredictable waves could be expected in parts of the country.